You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word. I know the spelling makes it confusing, but it's pretty straightforward once you know. Let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. Pronounced in English as bully. Let's break it down. The first syllable is a boo, just like B-O-O. I wrote the phonetic spelling for you. Boo, stress on that first syllable. And then lee. English pronunciation, stress on the first syllable, the boo syllable as we said. How to pronounce bully. Bully. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.